Kushaman. Nothing to go to Uruguay.
No, Shaman, and this school.
What's wrong?
I'm fine.
Kumba Kusha.
Mkwasha kaneza anozota nduro.
Saka chichi tell me what's if you are stressed the losers unit. You need to add up my calculations. You try and boss Shaman.
Sha. Do right but mwanangu asikupe for mashikana kuchukua. Ndichango babu wana report rake ndione roho mashura ndikuona kufaila kwa kuita mwana wangu.
Wachukizo
You
know what? I don't blame Mwana. I blame you and Chad. You got this Mwana, but you could I was even people find the
people find a way to say Chiporo channel is a Chiporo
channel. What is why you know was what I'm going for on his own. Could you have put taking the government? Man, Queen and
Osada.
Osada. You talked to I don't know. People find the room. If I'm back driver, Pasendra,
Pasendra kumbi ono zati ndinogara kuti nakakweso mwana no yanechiya kuno
pane options mali pane boarding school iripo
ausada
pane transport vano provide kungolayasa nemane principle yacho kuti toita sei pana utokudzeni mwana yano yapano everyday achidzidzo chirungu chikutora mwana wangu ka
saka boarding school like mama reza chari kubi onana wachigara kubi vanogara sei
ipapo chikoro chacho unofungoti hotel
ausada
ndotaura
unofunga
ndifuri paranyaya unoita nezvekuti unoda kunotora makalife kako kari private saka ine ukisiunika private kako una mahiwa mwana wako zvizvo I blame you. Zvotochita fees down dzakashipa.
Ndakaupipa majeto zese wondoza zvinofamba sei.
I am a student at Purpose Find Academy. I am Form 1. My school is one of the most amazing schools in my town. It is very beautiful and rich. Over and above the busy learning schedules, we have all the facilities for sports, study and other activities. As Aristotle would say, the roots of education are bitter but the fruit is sweet. So let's all experience this at Purpose Find Academy.
My name is Victoria Smari. I'm a grade student in grade 5 at Purposana Academy Port Elizabeth branch. Traveling every day to and from school was hectic for me. Therefore, I decided to be a boarder. Yes, it means I stay at the school and enjoy more time studying. The education is effective. My teacher is the best. Since coming to this school, I have improved and excelled in all my studies. What I encourage parents out there to bring your children to Purposana Academy and help them to find their purpose.
Hold me like the river Jordan, and I will then say to thee, you are my friend. Carry me like you are my brother. Love me like a mother. Will you be there? When wrong, will you scold me? When lost, will you find me? But they told me a man should be